Number 1. Change your air conditioner filters. To ensure the efficient operation of your system and enjoy the cleanest possible air in your home, you should regularly change the filters in your system. Start by checking your filters monthly and replacing them when they're dirty. Number 2. Check for leaks. Keep a sharp eye out around your toilets, sinks, showers, tubs, and other plumbing. Also, check ceilings for any visible water spots. Number 3. Replace your range hood filter. A dirty filter will hurt the efficiency of your range's exhaust fan and impair your kitchen's air quality. Number 4. Inspect your roof. Even 1 or 2 missing shingles can allow water to infiltrate your roof, causing water damages inside your home. Visually inspect your roof for any damages and repair accordingly. Number 5. Check and clean dryer vents. A sizable number of fires are caused each year by the accumulation of lint in clothes dryer vents. It's a good idea to inspect and clean your dryer vents regularly. Number 6. Inspect your sprinkler system. Inspect your system for any leaks. You should also adjust the water direction to avoid spraying on walls, doors, or windows. Number 7. Clean your rain gutters. You should inspect and clean your rain gutters regularly. Remove any fallen leaves and excess debris as needed. We hope you found this video helpful. If you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and need help with any home repairs, please contact Team Enoch. Visit teamenoch.com to get a free quote.